Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys a new project I have been working on. It is an AI chatbot. So basically for this project, what I did was I created a AI chatbot in using Swift, which is the programming language for iOS. So what I did was I linked my app to an API and basically I have a chatbot within my iOS app. So let's get started with the structure of the program. So I have 6 files here. So I have my chat bubble file, which is just used to um, make the bubble look clean. The chat message, which is just the message file for this. There's the chat view, how you see the chat. And then there's the chat view model, which is where I actually call my API key. So this is the API key I used. I'll show you guys later in the video why exactly I used this certain key and how you guys could use this as well. And I have my content view and my typing indicator. So let's get into the app and show you guys a little bit about how it works. So I was already running something, so let me just rerun it really quick and load up. Okay, so this is the app here. So you could ask something right here. So let me click this. I could basically ask anything I want. So first I'll just say, hello, how is your day? And it takes a little bit to load up, but let's give it a few seconds and there should be a response soon. So it says, hello, I don't have feelings, but I'm here and ready to help. Thanks for asking. How's your day going? Is there anything I could do for you today? Let's ask it a basic question. Let's say, what is the sum of 40 plus 50? See what it gives us. I'll give it a few seconds again. Okay, so the sum of 40 plus 50 is 90, and it shows you what method it used to solve this, and it even gives you a second method. So like as you can see, it kind of works like any other AI app would work. So like ChatGPT, Gemini, all of these. So it's pretty cool. I want to do what I want to do with this is eventually like build a chat bot within other apps. So like let's say I have another app I would be building. It would be cool to just have a little AI chat app in it and filter it based on what the app needs. So let's do like one more question here just to show you guys how cool this is. So let's do here, what is the biggest continent in the world? So yeah, and I have this pretty cool feature right here. So when it's loading up the message, it shows like the little chat bubbles right here. What I want to also do is maybe as the message is writing, I kind of want to see like how ChatGPT uses its AI feature. It shows it writes right away, so you could see as it's writing, but that's something I could work on in the future. So yeah, so the biggest continent in the world by land area is Asia, covering approximately 44.58 million square kilometers. So yeah, it shows. So yeah, there you go. So it shows you how it literally works as like a little chat AI feature. So let me tell you guys how I did this. So uh, I told you guys earlier I have this private key set up right here. So I actually used OpenRouter.ai to call this API, and I searched up DeepSeek R1, and you could see there's a couple different options here. So I used this one right here, DeepSeek R1T2 Chimera, which is free. So as you can see, I could use this totally free, and I don't have to pay anything. There's also other options. Uh, So you could see like different ones where you do have to pay for if it doesn't say free. But yeah, I just chose this because it's pretty simple and it's free to use, so I don't have to really pay for nothing. Um, so yeah, so this is some apps that use DeepSeek R1T2. These are some common apps that use it, which is pretty cool to see how other apps use this OpenAI. And I'll show you guys what I did to actually connect it. So you go all the way down here. If you go to this site, all the way down here to create API key. So let's create the key. You could just name it whatever you want. So let's just do chat AI example and do no expiration. This is really important. And create it. So then you just copy this right here. And I'm not going to paste it in here, but you would paste it right here in your API key so it connects everything once you have like your whole Swift code set up. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. And yeah, like I said, I think it's a really cool feature to have in any apps, to be honest, because there's a lot of different apps that need or like would benefit from having like a little chat AI feature. Like let's say like a lot of apps have this now. Like if you need some work with like customer service or something like of that nature. So yeah, so like let's say if you make like a tutor app, a fitness coach app, coding assistant app, anything like that, this is where this would become very useful. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you guys for watching. Again, this was my chatbot app where I connected it to an open API and showed you guys how it works. So thank you and have a great day.